Alright, so the Zippo mobile passed by today. Let's see what he dropped off. So this one arrived in the normal black Zippo box. And it is labeled Ann Stokes, collection number 4. Now Ann Stokes does goth paintings, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff in the goth area. So this is the candelabra with looks like death coming right at you. And in the right hand corner it says Ann Stokes collection, and there's the Ann Stokes logo. But this one is also in a semi-collectible box. It has the Ann Stokes collection logo on there. And of course it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And this one is on a black matte case with this cover here is just a sticker. Has a good sound. And you can see the brass coming through on this one. And this was made in January of this year in Bradford, PA. And I put the brass insert in. So that is the Ann Stokes Goth Zippo. It's a pretty good one. And it's a Zippo, so it deserves cowbell. Knuckle bump.